Hello YouTube, it's Swain with Chris again, here to do my second Golden Goose Deluxe brand sneaker unboxing. This one has also turned out to be a retroactive unboxing due to the fact this light just, this iPhone 10 just really doesn't handle light very well. It's going to be another retroactive unboxing because I picked this up at Nordstrom. I ordered it from Nordstrom, went and got it at the Burlington, Massachusetts Nordstrom, and I thought it was pretty cool to get something as niche at the Burlington, Massachusetts Nordies. And I was like, I'm going to take them home, but I was like, I just want to go look at them for a second. And I took them out, and I was like, I loved them immediately because I wasn't sure. I saw them online, and I thought they looked a little bit more bland than I'd usually like, but I was like, I want side zips. I like the slides. These are awesome. I just walked around in them, so I'm just going to get right to it. We got your Golden Goose sneaker bag. I haven't tried putting the sneakers in this bag. I'm not 100% certain they're actually going to fit. It might be roomy enough. But let's get right down to it. We got these slide sneakers. Now these had to be kind of wedged in, and they did some really cool stylish stuff where they kind of folded one part of the sneaker down and they had it all unzipped. So let me just grab one of these and show you all what the deal is. This is distressed. The leather is a lot more grainy than my Superstars, which actually I should grab those and bring those out. So yeah, these are, I just wore them once. I wore them at the mall, just walked around a little bit around outside my house. They have leopard lacing. The tongue is this kind of cottony substance. It's I don't know if it's more breathable or why they did it that way, but it's fine with me. You'll see, obviously, they got the trademark distressing. None of this stuff is damage that I did to the shoe. I do tend to fuck my shoes up rather badly, but this is all done by the cats over in Italy. Each one is a little bit different. This is the herringbone sole. The herringbone sole is indestructible. And as you can see, it says slide at the bottom. That's a trademark. All their shoes got that imprint down there at the heel. But where are my Superstars? I'm gonna grab them now. Dude, where the fuck are my sneakers? This sucks. Okay, that's weird. My Superstar sneakers are misplaced. So, I hope I didn't throw them out, because I've been doing a lot of cleaning in my room. That would suck. Those are the first designer sneakers I ever copped, and I wanted to show them for this video, and now they're in sneaker space, which is kind of like cat space. Where the fuck are my sneakers? I ganked my... God damn it, the fucking hell. Now I'm rip shit. This is bullshit. Where the fuck... So anyway, yeah, those are my Golden Goose slide sneakers. Hopefully they won't disappear too, and hopefully I'll have an addendum to put on, you know, on top of this video and text that, yeah, I found the sneakers and I was just being dumb. All right, thank you.